Since the world is looking towards India, if you see all the international collections, people are putting, Indian, the Burberry show or the Gautier show, obviously, so they're all putting Indian crafts. It's time that the Indian designers start, using their legacy rather than just blindly aping the West. And this is what we've tried to do, that Indian clothes shouldn't be just limited to, Indian silhouettes only. They can be worn in a global manner. The soul can be Indian, but the styling can be very contemporary, very global, and that is what I've done.
By Rahul and Shekhar.
The theme for the collection this time was a summer stroll. It's basically about the balance that we are looking in our everyday modern city lives, where we live in a concrete jungle, but we still try to make it beautiful with putting plants, or doing some little terrace gardens, getting flowers into our living rooms. That was the whole idea. From where we've reached today, we can't go back living into the jungles. And if we keep on growing the way we are growing, by making concrete all around us, that's also not going to lead us somewhere. So where we are, we right now need to pause and start creating a balance. So that was the whole idea behind the collection.